Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can buy/purchase Amazon Prime and subscribe to Prime Video. Let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want to go to primevideo.com. Once you're here, go ahead and either sign in if you have an account, and if not, go ahead and click on start your free trial. Once you've clicked that, it will give you a whole process of which you have to do. For example, you can either sign in to your Prime Video account or you can create an account. Once you've done this, you'll need to fill in certain pieces of information such as your first and last name, your mobile number, and of course a password. You will then have to verify your mobile number because Amazon, as in Prime Video, will send you a verification code which you will need to confirm. Now, once you've done that, simply hop back onto Amazon Prime or primevideo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and click which monthly or yearly subscription plan you would like. But keep in mind, people, Prime Video also has a free 1 month trial. So you can go ahead and avail that, of course. Now, you can purchase Prime for a monthly subscription of $14.99 a month, or if you're a student, you will be able to find a cheaper cost per month if you have a student ID card. But of course, go ahead and view which plan suits you, and then go ahead, subscribe to that plan and enter your payment details, and then simply continue to use that plan. You will be able to have access to a bunch of movies and videos and TV shows on Prime Video, and you will certainly enjoy that content. Go ahead and browse freely. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.